today we are making Tanghulu. Now this has been a trend recently, so we've decided to give in and give it a shot. This is like the Chinese version of the toffee apple, but it's really nice because with the toffee apple, it's a lot of apple and not a lot of toffee. But this, it's very bite-sized and you get the perfect ratio. This is actually quite fun and quite fast if you're not filming. First, you're going to actually want to prepare the fruit. We used cherries and strawberries, but for the cherries, obviously you're going to want to pit them, and the strawberries, you can have them whole, but we had really big strawberries, so we decided to cut them smaller. Now, when you put them on a skewer, you normally want about 3 per skewer, but I didn't realize that when we were making it, so I decided to put quite a few per skewer, but later on you'll see that we changed it back down to 3. And 3 is a good amount because you can actually get in and get the sugar coated all over it. And just make sure you don't stab yourself on the end of the skewer because it's hard. You're going to want a bowl of ice water, your pan, and like a thermometer thing, and a spoon or spatula in case it's like having trouble getting onto the fruit. You can always use a pot instead of a pan. It's easier for dipping it, and the syrup stays in better condition for longer. And also, if you are using a pot or just in general, I'd suggest making a really big batch because A, it makes sure that the syrupy stuff doesn't harden as quickly, and B, they get eaten really quickly. My mother ate most of that. You're going to want to make sure all the sugar is wet and let it heat. Don't consistently stir. Just stir that once and let it heat up. Check every now and then for the temperature, and once it actually gets up to temperature, you're going to want to turn the heat down to low. As you can see here, we just started off with a simple one. The spoon will be used to scoop the sugar on, and then you dip it in the ice bath so that the sugar can harden quickly. What we accidentally did is we forgot to remove them from the ice bath, so some of them hardened together. And you definitely, when you take them out of the ice bath, another thing that we should have done was put them onto a cloth. If the sugar crystallizes, add a bit of water and bring it up a little higher than the heat you had before, just to renew it a bit. It'll take a bit longer, but it still works. Bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Thank you!